Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to sign in Apple ID on your iPhone device and you're having this type of problem, the maximum number of free accounts have been activated on this iPhone. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this type of problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will have to scroll down, then tap on general. Then first of all, you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you will need to again open setting. Then here make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you will need to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here you will need to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, again open setting, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then after that, here you will have to again scroll down here. Then here you will have to make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with any VPN. If your device is connected with VPN, then here you will have to disconnect with VPN. Then after that, go back and again open setting, then tap on general. Then after that, here you will need to tap on language and region, and here make sure that your iPhone region is correct. So after that, go back, then here you will need to again open setting, then tap on general, then scroll down here, then here make sure that background app refresh is turned on from here. So after that, go back again, open setting, then tap on general, then scroll down all the way, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. So after that, here you will need to enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will need to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you will have to sign out this Apple ID from your iPhone device. Then try to sign a new Apple ID on your iPhone device from App Store after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. Hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to sign in or create new Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad device without any problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.